Google understands that it can be difficult to restart reading a book that you have put down a long time ago. So they've been working on a new feature within the Google Play Books app that aims to tackle this issue. It's called Catch Me Up, or Book Insights, and it's actually really handy. For this new feature to work, you'll want to be on the latest version of the app. And at least right now, for me, that's version 2026.5.29.2 with build number 367111. But you actually need to be in the middle of a book in order to trigger the feature, because it only appears when it detects that you have stopped reading something in your digital library. I even tested this on a book that was just started 3 pages in, and it still triggered for me. You can find this feature by jumping back into a book that you're reading, do a pinch to zoom gesture, or just tap in the middle of the page itself, and you'll see the page zoom out. Look for a little light bulb icon up here in the top right corner, because this is how you access this new feature. Tap on it, and you can ask the large language model specific questions about the book itself, which is a great way of asking questions about specific aspects of the book and its contents. But it can also offer a Catch Me Up shortcut right here at the top. And tapping on it will remind you what type of book it is, and then give you a paragraph that summarizes the last couple of pages that you've read. And if you still don't remember a certain event that happened in the book, or you're just wanting a refresher about something specific, then you can ask for clarifications right here. So for anyone who may have started reading a book a few years back and you didn't pick it back up because you had forgotten certain events, this new Book Insights feature is a great way to catch back up so that you can continue reading without feeling that you're lost or you're missing out on something.